Here we go, guys. This is PYT 257. Good luck to everybody in this one. This is 23-24 Optic Fast Break. 9 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. Should have 1 fast break auto per box on average. You guys are guessing the player on the last one of those. Box. Here we go, pack number 1. Good luck to everybody in this one. And up next is Phoenix Football 2024 PYT 283. There's Davion Mitchell, Mike Conley, Abaji, Chet Holmgren, Desmond Bain, Ranyan Rupert, Hunter Tyson. Oh wow, our auto's out of our first back of the box. Hunter Tyson is the auto on the fast break signatures. Going to Denver. That one is out of 25. 7 out of 25 for Denver. And we have Colby Jones out of 75 for the Kings on the red. Fast break parallel there. Next pack. We can do the guess for the player on the last numbered parallel since we pulled the auto so quick. Quentin Grimes, Damian Lillard, Kelly Oubre, Devin Vassell, DeAndre Ayton, Stephen Curry, Jalen Wilson, Paolo Banchero on the fast break parallel, and Brandon Miller, the rookies. Evan Mobley, Andre Nimhard, Mikael Fultz, Patrick Beverly, Gallinari, Bol, Amari Bailey, Tim Hardaway Jr., and Luka on the Rising Suns. And he's got some major curved ones in here. There we go. Stack them properly, they won't slide all over. Our next pack again, guys. Get your guesses in for the player on the last numbered parallel. Herbert Jones, Jordan Clarkson, Robert Williams, Pascal Siakam, Bojan Bogdanovic, Dylan Pickett, Gigi Jackson, Hollow Bam Adebayo, and Ayo Dosunmu out of 99 for the Bulls. Back. Devonta Graham, Alex Caruso, Lauri Markkanen, PJ Tucker, Jonathan Kuminga, Zubac, Jordan Miller, Kyle Lowry on the fast break. Lights out of Luka Doncic. We got Jokic, Buddy Hield, Grayson Allen, Jason Tatum, Fred VanVleet, Taylor Hendricks, Noah Clowney, Shaden Sharp, Nikola Vucevic on the pink out of 25 for the Bulls. Got 4 packs left here. Draymond Green. Oops, sorry guys, let me fix my stack again. Just bear with me. Do that. And we have Brooke Lopez, Jared Allen, Aaron Gordon, Jaylen Brown, Shaden Sharp, Jordan Hawkins, Jalen Duren, Carmelo Anthony. The curved ones at the bottom. 3 packs left. LaMelo Ball, Terry Rozier, Devin Booker, Nikola Vucevic, Jalen Green, Franz Wagner. There's a Wemby. Bilal Coulibaly, Kenyon Martin out of 75. Last 2 packs coming up. Mitchell Robinson, Christian Braun, Marvin Bagley, Reggie Jackson, Kobe White, Tyus Jones, Chris Livingston, Donovan Mitchell, Dominators Giannis, and our final pack of the break. Again, Phoenix Football PYT 283 is up next, so if you're waiting on that one, that will follow this one. Kevin Durant, Josh Richardson, Jeremy Shohan, Jared Vanderbilt, Dante DiVincenzo, Jimmy Butler, Brandon Miller rookie, Kamara, and Cam Whitmore on the Red Hot rookies. Those, all the base fast break parallels will be top loaded before we ship. I just did the numbered ones as we went along here. Let's top load, we'll recap, then we'll move on to our last two breaks of the night, which is Phoenix Football 2024 and then Topps Chrome Cosmic 2024 football as well. There's Io DeSumo out of 99. Nikola Vucevic out of 25. Wimby. Kenyon Martin out of 75. Colby Jones out of 75. And fast break signatures Hunter Tyson out of 25 on this fast break auto. 7 out of 25. Hunter Tyson going to Denver. All right, that does it for the fast break optic there. All right, let's update our title. Let's get our list pulled up here for Phoenix Football.